Tananing! The Ramadan is coming soon. So, madam, she buy this one. 18 pieces tea glass set. Okay. So, 1, 2, ready, go! Oh, you see? Apps. It's very nice. Yucks. Oh, what's that? 6 for shy. And this one, I think this one is for the Arabian coffee. Yeah, like they're using this one from like not shy or not coffee that I make a video already. Another coffee. And that is original. I don't know what they call that one. I call only coffee. But what's that? The kind of coffee is not like what I use. Another one. And the color, that one is different also. Okay, and they're using this one, this glass. They're using this coffee cup. And this one is for sure. It's for Ramadan na talaga. It's Ramadan is coming soon. So this one, I remove na that one because that is last year or 2 years na. That one. That's the Ramadan cup for sure also. That one is for big. Okay. Ayan, no, for big. And that one only is for normal that they are using. And mostly me, I use this one. Tita, the mother of, what's that? The mother of Sir Osama. She's using big cup for tea. Yeah, and like me also. Okay, I like this one, the thermos. But the another thermos, that one is different from here. It's towel, it's like long, for the coffee. The Saudinian, the Iran, I think, and the UAE, some Abu Dhabi, they're using that one. That coffee, that cup. This cup. That's what I mean, because this cup is for the coffee that I always use. Ano yata yan? Turkey coffee. Yeah. And this one is for big also. And that is before also for the Ramadan. Last time. Less after 2 years. Yeah, we used that one. So we have already new. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. More blessings at all. Happy Ramadan is coming soon. Okay. Ayan lah. Bye-bye. Yeah! And another cup that the another one is broken. Just 3 pieces na lang yun. So I give to the aunt of madam na. Okay. Okay, so thank you again. Para rin akong model nito. Ha. Parang endorsement. Yala. Okay, thank you again for watching. Magsi-bye-bye na, baka na naman i-stack up na naman yung videos ko, yung gallery ko. Okay, yala, bye. Or order this one if you want, okay? You can order anytime as of what you want. Oh, I don't know. Search this one in the Google, you can find, I think. Okay, bye. Tapos na yata si Sisi nag-eat. I-5 na lang to para sarado. Okay, para close. So, i-close na. Ang ganda yung design. Sa unique, the design is very unique. That is their traditional, talagang mga design. Yeah. Okay.